So guys, if you are looking for electric scooter as large as possible with a large standing space, which combines power, comfort and portability all at a ridiculously low price, the JUICEASE ESMax could be just what you need. As soon as you step on it, you will feel the sturdy construction and a smooth ride with the front and rear suspension. The powerful 500-watt motor reaches a peak of 1000 watt, combines with a long-lasting 14.5 amp-hour lithium battery makes it an excellent choice for both city rides and the long distances, so be sure to watch this JUICEASE ESMax video review and find out more. The JUICEASE ESMax comes in this compact package that is surprisingly easy to handle. Along with the scooter itself, which is very well protected in the box with plenty of protection, we find a suitable charger with a power cable, hex keys and a pair of screws, scooter kickstand, and the user manual that explains all functions of this scooter in multiple languages. The assembly process is simple and takes only 10 minutes, since the scooter is already practically assembled. We just screw a few screws on the steering wheel to secure it and practically ready to ride. JUICEASE ESMax is characterized by a simple, modern, functional design in black that combines aesthetics and practicality. The scooter frame is made of high-quality aluminum alloy, which ensures its longevity and wear resistance, but also allows for a relatively low weight. At 18.5 kilograms, it's robust enough to provide stability, but also light enough for carrying and store. At the first glance, the scooter gives impression of the solid and reliable construction, and its impression is further confirmed as soon as you start riding. The tread surface is coated with the anti-slip material, which increases safety and stability while riding, even in adverse weather conditions. In addition, the large tread with 49 by 18 centimeters provides enough space for comfortable foot position, which is important for longer rides and those drivers with larger feet. The folding mechanism is made with precision and allows you to quick and easily fold the scooter in a few seconds. After folding, its dimensions are relatively compact, making it suitable for carrying on public transport or storing in the trunk of the car. The handlebars have a pleasant rubber coating that ensures good grip and ergonomically designed for maximum comfort. The overall design of the scooter clearly shows that attention to the details has been paid, so all components work well and last a long time. The fenders are sturdy and well placed, protect against the splashes of water and dirt, while the cables and connections are neatly arranged and protect from external influences. One of the most exciting aspects of this ESMax is its powerful engine. Continuous output of 500 watts with the ability to reach a peak power of 1000 watts ensures fast and precise acceleration. Starting from a standstill has never been easier, and performance remains constant even on the more demanding climbs. Even steeper slopes of up to 30 degrees are easily overcome. The scooter offers 3 speed levels, starting from 6 km per hour, medium at 15, and the highest, which allows you to reach a maximum of 35 km per hour. Whether you are riding through the busy city streets or you are in a hurry and need to go at the higher speeds, the ESMax has everything you need. When we tested it on the flat sections, reaching maximum speed was fast and smooth, and the scooter remains stable even on the higher speeds. The feeling when riding is strong, almost as if the scooter responds to your every command with the instant response. Acceleration is smooth and even without sudden jerks, providing comfortable and a safe riding experience. The ESMax provides a feeling of complete control even when acceleration is charging. The coordination between the motor and the controller is flawless, so there is no delay when starting and slowing down. Regardless on the road conditions, the scooter maintains stability and proves a reliable sense of safety. The 42-watt and the 14.5 amp-hour battery provides a range of between 35 and 45 kilometers, depending on the rider's weight, terrain and the riding style. This means that the average user can use the scooter for several days before need to be recharged. Charging takes approximately 5 hours, which is quite acceptable considering the battery capacity. The ESMax offers advanced features to enhance the user experience. The device is equipped with a decent LCD screen that clearly displays the current speed, selecting riding mode, battery status and other relevant information, allowing the rider to be informed about the scooter status at all time. Connecting to a mobile app via Bluetooth technology allows for wireless control on various scooter functions. Through the app, users can turn the scooter on and off, monitor speed, battery level and the distance travel, and manage settings such as lighting and cruise control. This integration provides additional level of control and personalization, making riding safer and more enjoyable. During testing, the scooters show exceptional efficiently in optimizing energy consumption. Even after driving on a variety of terrains, including climbs and sharp accelerations, the battery still held a good level of charge. For users who like long drives, this battery provides a reliable autonomy without constant worry about the next charge. Also, the regenerative braking system helps to extend the life of the battery, which further contributes to the longevity of the ride. Thanks to the double shock absorber system, both front and rear bumps in the road are hardly felt. The 10-inch self-sealing pneumatic tires provides an excellent grip and additional puncture protection, which brings a sense of security regardless of the type of the surface. These are anti-puncture self-sealing air tires that instantly self-repair and seal the tire so that you will never have your tire flat again. Withdraw in asphalt and all less demanding roads, and in all conditions it remains excellent, extremely stable and comfortable. The ride feels almost like floating. There is a high quality suspension and a perfectly balanced frame. Every bump in the road becomes imperceptible, and even on the longer distances, the ride remains comfortable and fatigue-free. The scooter is quiet and smooth, and at lower speeds it almost is silent, which further contributes to the relaxing riding experience. The steering is precise and intuitive, and the ergonomic design of the handles contributes to the feeling of complete control. Even with the sudden changes of direction, the scooter remains stable, providing safety and reliability on every kilometer. The ESMax is one of the better electric scooters we have had on the opportunity to test, providing spaciousness and large standing space for such a low price. It offers the perfect balance of power, comfort and practicality, making it ideal for everyday rides to work or school, but also longer trips. If you're looking for an electric scooter that will provide you with the safety, power and comfort while riding through the city streets, JUICEASE ESMax is the right choice for you, and not to mention this extremely low price. So, official sales links are below this video, be sure to visit them. Don't wait, secure your ultimate ride today. That was all for now, see you soon in the next video review, until then, bye.